And can you go into the main idiosyncrasies too and that policy? Like what do we
I'd
need?
say that the biggest concern I've heard from a number of industry folks is the approach that Maine has taken to setting their fees for producers places a lot more of the data collection and control in the hands of the state, and also requires through statute and now codified in rule as well, or fleshed out through rule, that the fees need to be set based on some pretty specific data that needs to be collected from municipalities that
Hmm.
I am convinced from folks that I've talked to that I don't know that municipalities even actually have the data that the
Wow.
state is looking for to try and build out their fee rates. So Maine is taking this wholly different approach to fee setting that is very different than what Circular Action Alliance is doing in Oregon and California and Colorado and Minnesota and some of these other states. I think maybe paint with a bit of a broad brush, but sort of the line is, that we're not really in control. We're just a piggy bank. We don't have any actual opportunity to flexibly invest in the system. I don't think that's fully right either. I do think the Maine legislation sort of sets up a bit of flexibility for a pro to come in with a plan, for them to propose changes, for them to invest in MRFs, for them to work with municipalities. I think the real crux of it is that fee schedule development.